Happy Thanksgiving.
Sit down, enjoy your holiday meal, says Mayo Clinic dietitian Andrea Delgado.
There's never an all or nothing approach in nutrition. You can still enjoy everything in moderation.
She says overindulging during the holidays can be a tipping point for some.
Now we have a new diagnosis of high cholesterol or a new diagnosis of prediabetes or diabetes because even though we only did it for a short period of time, it was enough that we were close enough to be diagnosed with these new conditions.
One strategy includes weighing your options and making choices.
Let's say I have a green bean casserole, which is filled with cream of mushroom, a lot of other ingredients, versus just a side of green beans. Your better option would be the green beans.
But what about that pumpkin pie?
We can still have a small wedge, but maybe we don't add the whipped topping or the additional toppings that we might add typically. So it's not really cutting out entire foods, it's more how can we reduce maybe the portion or what we add to those foods.
For the Mayo Clinic News Network, I'm Dee Dee Stephen.